So we're getting ready to go out to eat Mexican.
Woohoo!
And I want to get a shot of the house during the evening as the sun's setting. Look at that thing. It's huge. I love this plant. It's getting ready to bloom something. I was hoping it would bloom while we were here, but since we're leaving tomorrow, I don't think it's going to. Here's a view of the jungle holly. The steps going up. There's the tower. A pretty red plant. I love this tree here because it like grows upside down, right side up, twists around. Aloha.
This is our bedroom.
Bedroom, yes, that's our bedroom. That's our little smoking area because you can't smoke cigarettes in the jungle holly. Oh yeah. Check out this thing. Oh, I already did it. And red trees. There's a water system. It collects rainforest water. That's our water. And our jungle holly. Our house in the middle of the rainforest. The Hawaiian jungles. There's some baby bamboo. How big it is. Let's see. This is an old rock pond, but there was an earthquake, cracked the pond, water leaked out. Baby cocoa nuts.